Imagine this, you're running a YouTube channel that generates thousands of dollars a month without ever showing your face on camera. And the best part, you can create these videos in just 15 minutes. There's a ton of advice out there about using AI for YouTube automation, but most of it skips over one important thing: copyright. Getting this wrong can lead to reuse content issues that threaten your monetization chances. In this comprehensive guide, I'll show you how to achieve real success. And today, we are diving into the travel and food niche, a combination that's already proven to be a favorite on YouTube. Let's get straight to the point. How much can you actually earn with Faceless channel in this niche? With this combination, your CPM could range from $10 to $30. Even with 50,000 views a month, you could be making anywhere from $500 to $1,005 in ad revenue alone. Once the channel hits 100,000 views, you could see earnings between $1,000 to $3,000, all from ads. As your channel grows, those numbers can scale even higher. So, people love to travel and discover new foods, and that's not changing anytime soon. By combining these two passions, exploring new destinations and indulging in local cuisine, you are tapping into two of the most popular content categories on YouTube. Your channel could serve as the ultimate guide, helping viewers plan their trips and decide what to eat along the way. That's the real value your channel brings. Plus, this niche is evergreen, meaning there will always be a demand for this type of content. People will continue to love traveling and experiencing new cultures, so you'll never run out of ideas. Okay, let's take Bali as an example destination. Bali is trending as always, capturing attention not just its beaches, but for its food, culture, and experiences. So here's how your videos will come together. Since this is a faceless channel, we are focusing on three main layers: the script, video footage, and voiceover. First up, the script. You don't need to start from scratch. We'll use ChatGPT to generate the perfect script. Since this tutorial is focused on Bali, your prompt could be something like, give me an 8-minute complete guide to the top things to do in Bali, the best local foods, and the most unique souvenirs. Within seconds, ChatGPT gives you a complete script you can work with. But just generating a script isn't enough. You've got to bring it to life with the right visuals. Instead of flying to Bali yourself, film everything and then edit it. You can use tools like InVideo AI, which brings us to the next step, getting your video footage. This tool lets you generate a complete video based on your script. Simply paste your ChatGPT script into InVideo and instruct it to create an 8-minute video, which is the sweet spot for YouTube algorithm when it comes to engagement and ad placements, leading to more revenue for you. When the AI generates your video, you'll get clips that match the script. But here's a key tip: your prompts needs to be specific and engaging. AI is only as good as the prompts you give it. Otherwise, you risk ending up with something too generic that won't hold viewers' attention. To avoid that, refine your prompts with ChatGPT just like we did earlier. Once the video is ready, you might want to tweak a few things. If the intro footage doesn't look as stunning as you like, just swap it out. Request a Bali beautiful beach view to replace a dull intro with something captivating. The goal is to keep the visuals engaging from the very start so people don't click away. After finalizing the video, you can export it. InVideo's free plan lets you do this, but the paid plan lets you export without watermarks and in higher resolution, which is what you'll want if you're building a professional channel. Next is the voiceover, which is just as important as the visuals. While some people wonder about monetizing AI voiceovers, you absolutely can. However, using the same old AI voices that everyone else uses is starting to get overdone. YouTube has strict rules around reuse content, and if your voiceover sounds too similar to others, it might hurt your chances of monetization. Instead of relying on the same AI voices that are all over YouTube, it's important to customize your voiceover. And let's be real, the voiceover can make or break your video. In this case, we are going to take things up a notch. With a tool like 11 Labs, here's where it gets really cool. You can actually clone your own voice. Trust me, this can make a huge difference in how personal and professional your channel feels. With 11 Labs, just upload a 1-minute audio sample, and within minutes, the AI will generate a voice that sounds nearly identical to yours. But if you want even higher quality, you can upgrade to their creator plan. With the professional AI voice cloning option, you can create a near perfect replica of your voice with even higher audio quality. Just upload a 30-minute audio sample and you'll get your voice professionally cloned within days with up to 99% accuracy. Personally, I've tested this out and most people can't even tell the difference between my real voice and my clone one. Now, I'll let you hear the difference between my normal clone voice.
Bali is famous for all natural oils, soaps, and body scrubs. Look for coconut or frangipani scented options.
In my professional clone voice.
Bali is famous for all natural oils, soaps, and body scrubs. Look for coconut or frangipani scented options.
Well, even I'm confused. This approach enables faster content creation while keeping your unique voice without ever needing to touch a mic. But if you're uncomfortable using your voice, you can still choose a distinctive AI voice. The key is to pick one that stands out, something that isn't all over YouTube to ensure your content feels fresh and original, even without you on screen. This gives your channel a more professional edge and ensure you won't get hit with that reused content flags from YouTube. Here's what you need to do next. Paste the script you generated from ChatGPT into 11 Labs text-to-speech box. If you haven't already, make sure to click on Advanced mode. I typically set the stability at 95% and the similarity at 75% using 11 Turbo V2 model. After pasting the script, review it for any errors and choose the AI voice that suits you best. In my case, I'll select my professional voice. Once everything is ready, click Generate Speech. If you're satisfied with the result, download the voiceover. Repeat this process until you have completed the entire script. Once your voiceover is ready, the final step is to head over to Canva. Upload the video footage from InVideo, remove the original audio, and replace it with your custom voiceover. You can use any video editor, but Canva is free and easy. I personally use Adobe Premiere Pro, but Canva is more than sufficient for this purpose. Then to top it off, add some music. YouTube's music library is free and has a great selection of copyright-free tracks. Or you can use a service like Epidemic Sound if you want more variety and higher quality. And there you have it, a high-quality faceless video ready for upload.
Bali is famous for all natural oils, soaps, and body scrubs. Look for coconut or frangipani scented options. They capture Bali's tropical.
With your personalized content, you won't face issues with YouTube's monetization policies. Now that you have got the blueprint to build a profitable faceless channel in the food and travel niche, you are ready to take action. Bali is just one example. You can apply this approach to any destination worldwide. The key is leveraging the right tools while avoiding copyright pitfalls to ensure your channel remains safe, successful, and profitable. If you are interested in exploring more profitable niches, check out my next video on the 5 best profitable faceless niches on YouTube. You might just discover your next big idea.